Hey!
Hey!
I need your help.
Oh, okay.
I got a package.
You did.
But I need you to clean up.
Me?
Let me guess.
I don't want to break a nail.
So you can't paint with those either?
If you give me gloves, I can.
So, gloves. So over here, look, right?
Yeah.
We have this unpainted wall,
It's
and then we
white.
got that spot there.
Up here?
You know what would look really good?
I don't know. What would... I mean, besides it being painted, I don't know.
Come on, this is slightly scripted. Do you know what would look good over there?
What would look good over there?
A sign.
Wait, we don't have one.
I just said I had a package.
What's in the package?
I'm going to show you. So we're going to clean up the shop. We're going to get this sort of final. Obviously, this is where we do design and our videos. And we figured to put our name on it, right? If you like it, put your name on it.
Oh, look at that.
So,
that's super cool.
JakeOfALL. All right. So let me get to organizing. And I don't know what we're going to do as far as paint goes, but we'll be right back. All right. Sign, right? It's out of the box. Now, I'm going to show you a couple different ways we can mount this. I am choosing to mount it to a wall, and I want to have a contrasting color, but the sign can hang. There are holes here and holes here, but there's also standoffs, which is what I have here. If you want to hang it, it's really nice. They include the hanging wire, and they include these ceiling mount brackets, which are pretty cool. They're sort of spring-loaded, and if you watch this, if I push this in, like this, the wire will come through this hole, and you can use that to level it, and when you get it where you need it, you would just trim it off here. So then we could loop the wire through the hole and just hang it. Now, as I said, I am not going to ceiling mount it, so what I'm going to do is use these standoffs, and these are pretty simple. It has a nice fastenless head, so it just looks smooth like that, and a little rubber gasket. You just screw these down with the provided screws. We then place this on the standoffs and screw these in like that. And then it stood off like that. Now I went ahead and drilled an extra hole because I'm going to stuff the provided wire through the hole, so that this is seen as little as possible. So what I need to do now is I need to get my fingerprints wiped off, this cleaned. I'm gonna get this board mounted up on the wall and the electrical pulled over to the plug so that it's ready to light it up. Hey, so, haha, right? Watch this. Boom, what is it? It's a sign. The wall is red, the backing is black. The shop, it's not perfectly clean, but it is definitely on its way to cleaned up. I think we have one more phase in the shop cleanup project, and this, I'd say, is sort of takes the cake. You can see here these different little modes with this little fade in, pulse. So it comes with a wireless remote. You can also play with the brightness. That's 25, there's 100. You can dim it, or you could use the pre-done modes. Again, 25, boom, there's 100. And as far as flashing goes, you can change how fast it blinks, you know, make sure you don't have a seizure. So it comes with the power adapter, it comes with the wireless remote. Now, that's the one I ordered. Speaking of order, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have the PACKOUT princess go in. We're gonna go to my computer. I'm gonna show you the website where you can put in any word you want, your name, your Instagram handle, you name it. You can change your size, you can customize it, and you can even see it on a wall. So let's go inside, let me show you how to build one, and then boom, you can have one too. Okay, here we are. We are on the website, which the link will be in the description. So you guys are the best. So we're gonna put that up there. But I'm gonna mess around with the colors. As you can see, you can change if the room is lit, the font. And let's see, what do we wanna say? Well, let's go ahead and turn the light back on. It's glowing. We're going to turn the lights on in the room so we can see some contrast.
It needs to say PACKOUT Princess.
Of course it's got to say PACKOUT Princess.
Wait,
does that mean another spot in the garage?
I need my own sign.
So here you can see, you can mess with the font because depending on what you're saying.
Purple.
I say purple. Let's do purple. Nope.
Oh, Well, now it's back on pink.
All right, so what we're going to do is scroll down and watch this. So you cut to letter, and it's basically going to be thin. You can have a big rectangle background.
Acrylic board.
Right, so that's what we did on the JakeOfALL line. And then the backboard, which we did not get on ours, but that's basically just the color that will be behind it, not the clear like we showed you. You can choose outdoor usage, and then these are the different screw kits that we told you about and how you mount it. So depending on how many words you get, changes your price, and depending on how big you see, it's got up there the size. And again, you can see the preview of what it's going to look like. Same as when it's on or off. That's basically so that you can have a solid color when the light is turned off. And I'm going to go ahead and paste a coupon code, which will be in the description as well, into this little box. So you guys remember, 1, to get a discount, and 2, you know, it helps us all out. So
That's right. Who doesn't
check it
want
out.
a discount?
Well, I mean, I know you do. You can buy another purse or maybe get a trampoline finally.
Woo!
All right, so that's it. Don't forget to like,
Subscribe and share.
Yeah, and if you actually get one, tag us,
Let us know
email
what you
us,
think of
send
it.
us pictures, let us know.
That'd be pretty cool to see
I like
everyone's.
mine. It's pretty cool. Everyone seems to like it when they see videos and whatever in the new shop. So
Now we just need to get me one.
yeah, we got to find another wall.
Oh, boy.
All right.
Maybe in the bathroom.
Oh, dear. Which one are we going to link to? All right, time to go.
Thanks, guys.